Good morning, good evening, and good night. Wherever you are in the world watching, welcome to Sonia's Creative Kitchen. For today, guys, I am going to prepare some curry saltfish with broad bean and some yam and green banana and cornmeal dumpling. So come along with me. Let me show you how it's done. So right here we have all of our ingredients for our curry saltfish, and over here we have our ground provision, our green banana, yellow yam, some flour and cornmeal. Right here on the stove we have our saltfish. So now I am going to go ahead turn the stove on for my saltfish and also turn the stove on for my cornmeal dumpling and my green banana and yellow yam. So stay tuned and watch the process. So guys, I am going to go ahead now, get my hand washed to start kneading my flour. So now my hands is washed and clean. I am going to get my cornmeal into my bowl. Mixing this well. Everything together. Guys, now that I finished knead my cornmeal dumpling, I am going to go ahead and set it aside and take a look at my saltfish. Right over here, look at my saltfish, it's boiling nicely. So now I am going to go ahead, turn the stove off, and then start to pick up my saltfish. So I'm going to wash my hand. Welcome back, guys. So now I am going to pick up my saltfish, remove all the bones from my saltfish. The bone from my saltfish. I already picked up my saltfish. So now I am going to set it aside and get started on my dumpling. So guys, this is how I make my dumplings. Use my hand to bring it round like this. So it shape it. And then I roll it like this in my palm. See? This is how I make my dumplings. Guys, now all of my dumpling is finished. So now I'm gonna go ahead, give it a stir, and get started on my yellow yam. So now I am going to peel my yellow yam to put into my pot. This looks like a nice piece of yellow yam, even though when we're back home we get nice yellow yam. Add some lime juice in the water because our yellow yam started to change. Now guys, I'm going to add some lime juice to the water. It keep the yellow yam from not discoloring, you know. Keep the yellowness intact. So now I'm going to go ahead and add my yellow yam to my pot. Give a nice little stir. Now I am going to peel my bananas to add into my pot. So now I'm going to go ahead and cover and get started on my green bananas. So now guys, my banana is done. I'm going to go ahead now and add it to my pot. I'm going to add a piece of the green banana into the pot and a little bit of lemon juice. So now I am going to leave my pot to finish cook. Welcome back guys. So now I am going to go ahead and get my curry saltfish with coconut milk started. So now I am going to go ahead and turn on my stove. I'm going to rest this right over here for now. Turn my stove on. And wait for a few minutes. And then I'm going to add my vegetable oil. And these are all of my ingredients. I'm going to go ahead now and add my vegetable oil. I like to burn garlic into my oil.
One eternity later.
So now I am going to go ahead and remove my garlic. Burnt garlic are the worst. So now I am going to go ahead and add my onion. I'm going to add my scallion. And thyme, some thyme. Scotch bonnet pepper. My tomatoes. Some of my sweet peppers. And now some garlic. So I'm gonna go ahead, give this a stir. So now guys, I'm gonna allow this, all of my seasoning to come together. And then after I'm gonna put it aside and put my curry in. Look how lovely this look. All these colors, all these flavors smell wonderful. Me love it. And how can I forget? I always like my cracked pimento. Right now inside of my kitchen is bursting with flavor, guys. Bursting with flavors. Look how lovely this looks. I'm just waiting for everything in this pot to loosen up all the flavors. Then I'm going to put it aside and go ahead and add my curry. So now, this is what I'm looking for. Everything is loosening up, you can see it. They're not the same like when you just put it in, I just put it into the pot. Look at this, guys. Now I had my curry. I'm gonna give it a stir. Nice stir. Oh, it smells so good. It smells amazing. So now guys, I am going to go ahead and add my saltfish. I know it as saltfish growing up. Some people call it catfish. Look how beautiful this look. All this flavor. My curry, saltfish with some coconut milk. gonna allow this for a few minutes. Then after, I'm gonna go ahead and add my coconut milk and leave it to cook down. So now I'm just gonna leave this for a few minutes for this to suck up all the flavor from the onion, the garlic, the scallion, the thyme, the pimento, everything. Now I'm going to leave it and let it suck up all the goodness.
One eternity later.
So now guys, I am going to go ahead and add my coconut milk. Look at this guys, smells so good. And you know if you ask, it tastes good too. So I'm going to leave this to simmer down. And now I'm going to put a pinch of black pepper. About that will do. I'm a pimento girl. Love it. Look at this guys. Smells so good. Look delicious. So now I am going to go ahead and cover my pot and leave it to simmer.
1,000 years later.
Welcome back guys. Look at this meal. Looks amazing. My curry looks, you don't have to ask. And how could I forget guys, my Maggi. Little bit of Maggi seasoning. Give it pepper flavor with all these spices in here. Look at this. My curry saltfish with coconut milk. So guys, now I am going to go ahead and add my butter beans. And leave it to simmer. Now I am going to leave this to simmer. So stay tuned guys and watch the process.
Much later.
Welcome back guys. Look at my curry saltfish with coconut milk and broad bean. This is what I'm looking for. Now guys, my dinner is ready. Look how beautiful this look. Look how beautiful. Look at this. Smells amazing. So now I'm going to go ahead and turn off my stove. And when I come back, I'm going to show you the finished product. Welcome back guys. My dinner is ready. So look at my dinner. Look at this guys. This looks so amazing. Look at this. My yellow yam. I love yellow yam. Oh my goodness. This is so delicious. Trust me when me telling you say this tastes good.
Into the mouth. Nice.
Now I'm going to go ahead and have a piece of my dumplings with some of this goodness right here. This is so delicious. Wow. Look guys, take another look. You don't have to ask. Tastes so good. And guys, I am going to take a moment and tell you thanks for all of my subscribers. Thank you guys so very much. I really appreciate it. For all the comments, to hit the like button. Thank you so much. And guys, please continue to support my channel so we all can grow together and learn new things and Sonia's Creative Kitchen. So God bless you all and continue to tell a friend to tell a friend. Now I'm going to go back to this delicious meal. Wanna come help me eat the food here. The one you bad. Remember me tell you. It bad.
Into the mouth. Nice.
With some of my saltfish. Guys, we have made it to the end of our video. Thank you so very much for watching. And remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend if you tell a friend. And remember say, we say Jamaica.